reviews.
So this brand is Gourmet Sweet Botanical, and I usually buy their edible flowers online. And as you can see, they have some really beautiful edible flowers like these pansies, and then these micro orchid flowers, which I use on my smoothie bowl or like smaller bites. And it's perfect for me as a food stylist and a photographer to add some colors and a creative element to my dishes. So with edible flowers, you don't just want to buy a bouquet of flowers from the store and put it on your food because of the pesticides and how they're grown. There can be also insects in them. So you have to make sure that you're getting them from a safe vendor. They don't really have much of a taste. Obviously, if you eat the bigger ones, they're gonna have more of a taste and a different texture, so a lot of people will take them off before they actually eat them. But with the smaller ones, I can put them on my smoothie bowl and mix them in, and they don't really affect the taste of the smoothie. And they have so many different options for edible flowers, and they also have microgreens and like chive flowers and cilantro flowers and so many unique options. I would recommend this to experienced chefs or home cooks that are looking to elevate their dishes and make beautiful dishes and impress their guests with just one simple element.